So you want to be a scalper and you are tired of trades that go straight to your stop loss or for 1 minute strategies that don't work, okay? So in this video, I will give you the 1 minute scalping strategy that actually work, okay? So before we go any longer in the video, I want to guys remember you that the 50% Lucid accounts or the 50% promo is ending tomorrow, okay? So make sure you grab your pro accounts. They renewed, by the way, the pro accounts, and they are now the best accounts in the industry, okay? So you can pass them in 1 day, right? So it is, the pro accounts are really amazing because they mixed the black accounts with the pro accounts and gave an even better pro accounts, okay? Now, for the good news, okay? So the cheap 19 bucks accounts, 50K on Bullnox are back, okay? Make sure you grab your cheap accounts. Those are the accounts that we want to be practicing on, okay? So 19 bucks every month. It renews every month at 19 bucks. For the price of a pizza, you guys will have the chance to train your emotions and yourself, okay? Anyway, let's go back to actually our video, okay? And let's talk about the model, okay? So for the model, right? It happens almost every day, okay? So after 9:30, okay, market open, right? You just wait for your first M15 FVG, okay? So markets usually will manipulate in a direction and then go in another direction. And by waiting for that first M15 FVG, you will save yourself from trading the manipulation. Most of the time, it will save you from taking bad trades here or here, okay? So, usually price will open that FVG in the third candle after market open. So it will usually be at 10 a.m. You will have your first FVG, okay? So what you wait in that FVG, okay? So once we form the FVG, you go to M1 and you are in 10:45 to 10:20 macro time, okay? So at that FVG, you go to M1, right? And you wait for SMT. You wait for SMT, change in state of delivery, or a breaker, aka a unicorn, if we have an FVG here, whatever the entry model you like after the SMT, and you target 2R, okay? So this is literally the model that got me profitable and got tons of payouts to members in the Discord. You can join, by the way, the free Discord. If you don't understand anything or whatever, you just shoot me a question, tag me, and I will be happy to help you for free. No string is attached, okay? So I have nothing to sell, okay? So you wait for that SMT, it will look like that. Say you are trading the NQ and the ES will look like that, okay? Inside that M15 FVG, okay? So you wait for your entry function. So the CSD is a closure under the down candles that took this low, okay? In this case, it will be this one here, okay? And you put your stop under the lowest low, okay? If you took the asset that will make this pattern, you can enter here and put your stop under this low, okay? So it is a pretty easy model, right? It is a bit hard in the beginning to understand, but once you understand it, you will not unsee it again, okay? Because it happens every day, right? And it gives a high win rate, a very high win rate actually, okay? So it is a high win rate model that gives 2R. So with 2R, as I always say, you only need, I guess, 33% to break even, okay? So it's only 33% to break even. And you will get easily 50% with this model. You just need to manage your risk and everything will be okay. Okay? So let's go to yesterday's price action. And as you know me, I will always give you fresh PA. I will not cherry pick something from 1988, something like that. I will give you fresh examples, okay? So the trade happened yesterday, all right? So if you want help, we have also some free indicators in the Discord. You will find it in the Universal Model Indicators channel, okay? So you have the FVG alerts, okay? So you can go do whatever you're doing, like you can work or do whatever. And when an M15 will open up, this indicator will send you an alert, okay? Then we have indicators for SMT, okay? And we have also free indicators for FVGs, new day opening gaps and stuff like that, okay? So everything is in the free indicators, okay? So yesterday I got the alert when this candle closed, okay? And I wasn't even at home, right? So I got the alert and I went to the charts, right? Then I saw the FVG, okay? So let's mark the actual FVG, right? So this was the FVG, okay? We also had news at 10 a.m. So I was like, after 10 a.m., if this happened, I will take it, okay? So if you look closely, the low that made the FVG is this one, right? Let me zoom in for you guys because I have the big screen. Okay, clear. Okay, so this is the low that made the FVG, and we made it exactly at 10. Okay, so news dipped into the M15. So this was manipulation, right? And after this manipulation in the M15, the indicator for SMT told you there was an SMT, okay? But actually, if you look closely, let's go to yesterday, we had also a better SMT with ES, okay? So ES didn't even touch the gap, okay? While NASDAQ touched it, okay? So the indicator that alerts you about the FVGs will also give you the CESD level, and if you program it, it will also give you how much slots you should open, okay? So shout out to my German brother BJ. He made this possible, right? So the guy is a genius and he made it possible for free, okay? So now what happened is we manipulated into the FVG, okay? Instantly closed the back up. So this is the CESD level, right? Closing above the candle that took the low with SMT in the fair value gap. So this is true CESD. I call it true CESD. And now we have a MSS as well. So this is a true breaker, okay? And if we open a 1 minute gap, it will be a true unicorn, and it will be also our 2026 scalping model, okay? So I waited for this candle to happen and we open up actually the unicorn gap, okay? All right, so if you took the CESD, all right, this will be your limits here, and you will go for 2 hours, okay? And as you can see, the indicator already give you the TP level, right? Let me zoom in, right? So the indicator already gives you the TP level, right? So if you are a 2026 or unicorn trader, you will limit the fair value gap and target 2R, right? Okay. So you got tagged in for bot trades, okay? You are triggered in, okay? Then if you went break even, they came back for it, right? But we don't do that. We don't do that, okay? So if you were missed in this CESD entry, you're tagged in again, okay? And I think after exactly an hour, the first trade got TP. Okay, exactly. So at 11:11, again in a macro time, you will get your TP hit. Okay, and then for the other trade, it took a bit longer because yesterday was choppy and TP hit at 11:45. Again, another macro time. Okay, so as you can see, the model is really, really easy. And you can check on Discord on my Diogenes charts. You can check my trades. I take this same trade for like 7 or 6 months. And also the members of the Discord are taking them. They work on gold, they work on euro, right? This model is really the only 1 minute model I'd take. Really? If I don't know where the market is going, I just wait for my M15 FVG, and if this model prints in it, I am taking it. Okay? So I hope you guys liked the video, and I want to also thank you a lot for using the code to buy your accounts. Okay? And as always, join the free Discord, ask your questions, and I will be very, very happy to help you guys and for free. Let's make it very clear, because most of the guys now they just want your money. I don't want that. I just want to help you. Okay. So yeah, I don't want this video to be any longer. So I'll just end it here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay. Ciao, ciao. Much love.